On the next installment of Roadside Finds, I got these two nice little bedside nightstands. They're a matching set. They're an ugly navy blue. I think we're gonna strip it, paint them white. And then I got some nice gold accessory. All right, first we're gonna hit with some mineral spirits. Just clean up all the dirt. Now we're gonna hit them with a layer of citrus strip. Alright, they're all covered in the citrus strip. I'm just gonna let them sit, and then I'm gonna try to take off the paint. Alright, I was using the paint scraper, but I think the chisel works a little bit better. Let's get these nice smooth peels. I just finished the first one. Took way longer than I thought it was going to. It's not even that good, but I'm gonna hit it with the sander. This is torture. Well, after hours of back-breaking labor, I've stripped all the paint, most of the paint at least, and now we're just gonna have to sand them. All right, it's finally time to paint one of these things. Could not be more excited to be done sanding. Hope it comes out good. Homeboy just pulled up in the middle of the painting. I kind of spray painted him a little bit. Ooh, I got it in his eyes. I think he's chilling. Alright, after 6 cans of paint, I got it to a spot where I'm finally happy with it. It's not great, but I mean, I think it's worthy of purchase. Alright, I'm gonna mount this drawer knob on.